How to get more projects in Outlier AI. Working on Outlier AI but not getting enough projects, here's how to boost your chances and secure more work. So, step one, always maintain high accuracy. Outlier tracks your performance, and consistent quality makes you eligible for more projects. Step 2, log in regularly and respond quickly when new projects open. Slots fill fast, so being active increases your chance. Step 3, complete projects on time and avoid dropping them after acceptance. Reliability builds trust and unlocks more invitation. Step 4, diversify your skills. Take qualification tests and highlight niche expertise. Passing tasks unlocks new categories from language tasks to technical projects. If you're not receiving projects, contact Outlier support and they can guide you on upcoming qualifications or account adjustments. So remember, accuracy, activity, reliability, skill growth, and communication with support are the keys to getting more projects in Outlier AI. And that is how you can get more projects in Outlier AI.